Hey, what's up, folks? It's Mike here from NetGold, and we need to have a quick conversation about ashiness. All right, it's a one-on-one conversation, but I'm gonna bring in some teaching tools. So let's watch this video I'm about to share. It's about a minute long of a young man found on TikTok, and we're gonna break this down piece by piece. Yeah, let's do that.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So, if you can do me a solid favor, just like hit that subscribe button, I totally appreciate it. It really helps, grow the channel, and hit the little bell notification so you know when we get all the cool, all the cool stuff. That one, hit that one. Hit the one that says all. Hit that one. Okay, the one that says all. That's the one you want to hit. All. La 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 la. Thank you.
Please put on lotion. I promise I'll cash up you $10. Is it really that bad? Yeah, you're right. That is pretty bad. This for the people who be thinking I be scratching myself. I literally don't. I don't be scratching myself. When I get out the shower and don't put on lotion, this is what happened. But you said please and $10. Let me do that now. Like, y'all really be doing this every day? Why does it keep burning every time it burns? In the middle of me recording, he sent the money. This is actually beautiful. I'm finna show the family. Mama, you like my legs?
What is going on?
You like my legs?
Doggy.
You like my legs, Lucy? Oh, she don't recognize me. I think everybody like it. I'm gonna keep doing this.
Okay, we saw it. So let's break this down piece by piece. First of all, his skin, it sounded like sandpaper when he was rubbing it. Let's just go to that part there. At what point, what part of his life was this allowed in his, because you saw his mom was there, and I think that was his dad. So at what point did they not teach him about self-care and self-love? Let's just address, and this was a TikTok, so, it was a joke, but that wasn't a joke. That's extreme neglect of one's self. And I'm just so, why? Who allowed him to get to this level of ash that he was as dark as I was and looked like a ghost from the kneecaps down? Like, how is this even possible? And he put on the lotion, and it looked nice, but I don't think it's gonna last. I really don't. And it's troubling. It's troubling to me because that was allowed by his family. So look, when your skin is that dry, there's obviously something wrong internally. Like, you're not drinking enough water. Something is up if your skin is that dry. Like, my skin is rarely ever dry unless it's cold or if I'm dehydrated. Other than that, my skin is always at some acceptable level. Like, maybe just can fix the issue. But that right there was a desert. Those were deserted legs. Those legs haven't seen love in decades. Like, he is that bottle of lotion he probably had to take from the back of his, that might be his lotion. So he probably had it on hand. But I'm so concerned about this. Like, is this how people are walking around? Then I'm gonna show you another video that I was tagged in on Instagram. Look at this. Look at this.
You can do electronically, just bring you electronic devices. You can do electronically, just bring you electronic devices. You can do electronically, just bring you electronic devices.
How do you go to an airport with ankles like that? Like, how is this even? Then you have the no socks, nothing, just ankle. Like, how is it that dry? There's so many questions. And here's the thing, if you are around people and they're allowing you to walk outside like that, you need to get rid of them as an entirety because they hate you. They hate everything about you. They are jealous of you and they want you to fail. There is no way somebody that likes you is going to allow you to walk around that damn ashy. Like, a little bit of ash, understandable, it happens. But that, disrespectful. Like, for them to allow you to walk around that way shows they don't love you. They don't care about you. They hate you, really. You are their worst enemy because how, sweetie, how is this happening? You know, and I just need to know, is this a common occurrence in the community? Because I wasn't allowed to be ashy growing up. I was never ashy growing up. But I'm seeing this neglectful ashes going on around here, and it's making me wonder, was I just privileged to have lotion in the house? Was I gifted with non-ashy parents that didn't allow me to be ashy? Like, please talk to me. Let me know what I need to know, because this right here is a problem, and I am confused that this is what's going on. But yeah, just look, we sell lotion. You know, no, actually, we don't sell lotion. We don't do lotion. Lotion is watery. It's gross. We sell butter, baby. It's butter, baby. It's thick. It's great. You put it on the skin. Your skin loves it. You look luscious. You look fantastic. It's good stuff. Please, just go buy some. If you don't want to get it from us, get it from the guy on the street, the girl at the corner, somebody. Get it from somebody if you don't want to get our stuff. Even though there's a discount code below, and even though this entire month of Ashvember, we're doing a 30% off everything. But if you want to get it from somebody other than us, that is totally fine. Just please use it. Because it's disrespectful for you to walk around like this. Like, do you hate yourself? Is that why, do you just like, why are you so ashy? That's it. Like, why are you so ashy? I don't understand. Why are you so ashy? You know, I'm done. I'm stressed out. I'm about to lose like, this is ridiculous. Like, how, like, am I the only one that understands that this is not appropriate? Like, what the frick? What the frickin' frack? Look, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, you know, and please tag me in any like moisturization files that you see online, please, because I'm getting tired, man. This is ridiculous. I'm getting tired of this. I'm getting too old for this, man. This is, damn.